I'm Judith Valenzuela Cabillo. As you said, I am a member of the Pangasinan Tour Guides Association Incorporated as the secretary. I have been in the industry as a tour guide since 2007 when the provincial government started training tour guides for the whole Pangasinan. Ang ultimate dream ko talaga is to be a trainer ng tour guiding. Tour guiding is a passion. It really is a passion. Kung hindi mo ito passion, hindi mo ito kakayanin. Kasi yung notion na we are glamorized conductoras inside the bus. Because, di ba, nakatayo tayo sa bus, nagsasalita, ang baba kasi ng tingin ng tour guides noon, ng mga tourists noon sa tour guides. But eventually, when we had started tour guiding in the province, nakita nila and how professional we was. Ang mahirap lang kasi sa iba, okay, sa mga hindi pa nag-train on PWD sensitivity and senior citizens sensitivity training, nahirapan sila on how to guide the PWDs and senior. That is why some would prefer mentor guides. But if you are trained, as we are equipped as well as males to handle everyone. At ang babae nagagawa yan kahit hindi sila malakas. Kami kayong unang batch ng tour guides and I was the first actually licensed tour guide in the province. And I say I'm a very strict one. So dumaan sa akin ng mga OJTs ng tourism when it comes to tour guiding. And I'm very well proud na yung mga nagdaan sa akin na ngayon ay nasa ibang mga kanilang mga careers na are good tour guides as well. Yung ma-impart mo yung love ng province sa kanila and that they want to continue guiding kahit in a different way or discussing Pangasinan in their endeavors, yun siguro yung greatest fulfillment ko. Being a tour guide, you won't retire. Yun yung legacy mo, yung ipakita mo sa lahat na mahal mo yung Pangasinan and you would promote it positively to other regions. Kasi ang turismo, humihikayat yan ng bisita. At pag meron kang bisita, ang ating local people, may kita. And it goes around. Hindi lang sa pag-tour guide kasi hindi lang sa natutulungan mo yung community into economic gains. But actually, matutulungan mo sila in how they would take care for their environment as well. Kasi when you're tour guiding, pinapakita mo rin doon yung kalinisan ng lugar. At syempre yung community would work for the nurturance of the environment para for future generations, for future tourists to see yung lugar. Yun, hindi lang tourist ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, but yung common folk, yung mga bangkeros, yung mga bata, na nandun sa Manawag, pagbababa ang mga tourist sa bus, nagbebenta ng kanilang mga goods nila doon. Those are local folks na matutulungan mo. Choose your career. Choose what makes you happy. If it's your passion, then go for it. When you do your work, you deliver your best. You ask, of course, the guidance of the Lord. Kasi kung wala rin guidance ng Panginoon sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, hindi rin yan magsasaka.